सिन्धुभ्यैव कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः। First of all, my thousands and thousands of Dandot Pranam in the lotus feet of my spiritual Gurudev, Nitya Leela Pravishta Om Vishnu Bhad Srimad Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. And then same thousands and thousands of Dandot Pranam in the lotus feet of my Shiksha Guru, Nitya Leela Pravishta Om Vishnu Bhad Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. Oh, our classes are going very good. All are happy. I want that time to time. Oh, festival like this should be held to help all others. Sometimes we are here, all are inspired. But when we will leave this place, then so many will become so weak. You should not be weak. You should try to follow your Gurudev. All this. Don't forget him and his teachings. If you want to be happy, I accept my Guru, but I don't follow him, his instruction. What is this? Like nonsense. Nothing. Not only by words, you should try to follow from your core of heart. Each instruction what he has given is all important. You know that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu inspired Srila Rupa Goswami at Prayag, and he gave one drop of rush from the ocean of rush, endless ocean of love and affection rush. Only one drop. And he gave so many things in the heart of Rupa Goswami. And that is why it has been told, Sri Chaitanya Mano Bhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahiyam Dadadi Shapadantikam. If you want to sit on a chair, you can go, no harm, because you are feeling and you should go. So, we should try to know, if you want to develop your Krishna consciousness, you should try to know Rupa Goswami and his instruction. That instructions are common to all. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur, or Swamiji, Bhakti Vedanta Swamiji have not given anything new. Only he has given same wine in new bottle. What wine? Oh, love and affection, but in new bottle, in very attractive way. So we should try to follow. Only I am disciple, it will not do. From beginning we should. And first is instruction, Rupa Goswami. Vacho vega, manasa, krodha vegam, jiruva vegam, udar upastha vegam. Jasarvam, sa sarvam itimam, his really good. His pure Vaishnava. You should try to know all these things and to be, observe in following all these things. Only coming and going and hearing will not do. What we are hearing, we should try to follow. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to give all Raga Nuga Marga. How we can follow gopis? He came to give these things. And this is rare in this world. This was only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave. So if you want to serve Krishna and Radhika, you must follow Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. What doing? Always, where is Krishna? Without Krishna, and my heart is broken. Like this. Always totally observed. And he had no time to write any book. Only 80 sloks he has written. And for other things, he wanted to write. But when a mood of Radhika used to come, and he used to become totally mad. Rolling down the earth, who will write? So he could not write. So he ordered and inspired his all moods in Swarup Goswami. And he has given in his books, especially in Lalit Madhav, Vidagh Madhav, Ujjwal Nilmani, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Everything is there. Swarup Goswami gave all these things, high things. But how to enter? First we should be qualified with this. You know crows? They like a fruit like bitter fruit like neem. And cuckoo birds, very tasteful, very sweet mango. So, in this world, those who are like crow, they will not appreciate that mood of gopis. And those who are like very high class of kokil bird, cuckoo bird. One pointed to Krishna, following Srila Rupa Goswami. Quickly they will be qualified to enter in this, the realm of bhakti. First, we should follow from today if you want to enter in that realm of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu bhakti. So try to realize all these things. If you have no taste, in Harinam, again and again you should to follow. Don't be distressed. Don't be hopeless. Again and again you will do. This is the medicine and also diet also. Harinam. And then what is the essence of all instruction? Tannam Rupa Charitadi Sukrit Tananu Kramena Rasana Manasi Niyojya Tisthan Braje Tadanuragi Jananugami Kalam Naeda Khalam Ittupadisha. In essence, whole teaching of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu comes in this one slok. Be always in Vrindavan. If you cannot be Vrindavan by your body or even by your mind, you should be. And what doing? Chanting and remembering. Chanting Krishna name. Remembering the pastimes of Krishna. In the guidance of very Rasik and Tattvagya Vaishnava. And then this is this essence of everything. Now, our today class is finished. But you should go not empty. You should take something which we are coming to give you. But these instructions you should take forever for your life. And if you are not doing seriously from today, you should follow all these instructions. And you will see that, oh, you will be happy.